How to make custom lower third using Camtasia software. In this video, I am sharing with you how to create custom lower third using Camtasia software, like this one. And here you can see, I have made many advanced lower third template for Camtasia users, 35 template. These template worked on Camtasia 9 or any above version, and users can edit very easily without advanced editing skills. So if you want to download my 35 template file, check description box where I have included template link. Now let's see how we can make a custom lower third using Camtasia. This is my sample lower third template. It has two elements, one shape element and one text element. Each element has two animation, one starter animation and one end animation. So we will need to be two element, one text element and one shape element. Now I am adding one shape element onto my timeline. And resizing it by pressing Ctrl button. After add a shape, I am adding text element from annotation tab. Resizing it by pressing Ctrl button. Double click on this text for change it. Click on the font option from Properties tab, and I am selecting Roboto font. Now it's time to add animation for text and shape element. First of all, I will add a keyframe for shape element by pressing Shift and a button from keyboard. Select keyframe first position, then minimize it from top to bottom. Right-click on this keyframe, select Enable Easing, then click on the exponential in and out. Select 22 frame duration for this keyframe. Move this keyframe on the first position. Now I am adding a keyframe for text element by pressing Shift and a button. Select keyframe first position. Minimize it first to last by pressing Alt button. Right-click on the keyframe, select Enable Easing, then click on the exponential in and out. Move this element last position, near shape element. After added starter animation, we will need to add end animation. Select shape element, add a keyframe by press Shift and a button from keyboard. Select keyframe last position, then minimize it from top to bottom by pressing Alt button. Then right-click on this keyframe, select Enable Easing, then click on the exponential in and out. Select 20 frame duration for this keyframe. Now I am adding a keyframe for text element by pressing Shift and a button. Select keyframe last position, minimize it first to last by pressing Alt button. Right-click on this keyframe, select Enable Easing, then click on the exponential in and out. Now move this element last position, near shape element. Let's see a final preview. Looks nice. We have successfully created a lower third. I hope you enjoy this simple video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments section. If you don't subscribe my channel, you can hit the subscribe button for join my community.